Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how to make a healthy and delicious soup called Harira. Bring a pot, fill it up with 20 cups of water. Add 2 medium chicken breasts cut into cubes, 1 small onion diced, 1 can of chickpeas, half cup lentils, has to be washed. Now we add spices, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1.5 teaspoon turmeric. Mix it all together very well and put it on the stove on high heat until it boils. While we wait for it to boil, bring a smaller pot, add 2 cups of water and a half cup of rice. Make sure you wash it. This soup is enough to feed 8 people, so you can cut the ingredients in half if you want. Let it boil for 5 minutes, then bring a bowl and separate the rice from the water. Put the rice in a different bowl and set it aside. We are going to use the rice water to make another sauce that will be added into the main pot later on. Bring 7 diced Roma tomatoes, see how, and add them to the rice water, and 3 bunches of chopped parsley, add it also to the tomato and the rice water. Now for the spices, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and 1.5 tablespoon of coriander. I love the smell of coriander. It really brings out the flavor in the soup. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of butter when it starts to boil. Now, back to the soup. After we let it boil for 15 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of butter and mix it very well. Let it cook for another 15 minutes before we add the sauce to it. Don't forget the 2 tablespoons of butter. We will be adding it into the sauce later. Take the rice we set aside earlier and add it into the soup and mix it well. Now that the sauce is starting to boil, add the 2 tablespoons of butter and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. The sauce is ready. Add it into the soup, mix well, and let it boil for an additional 30 minutes on a medium-high heat. Make sure to mix the soup every 2 minutes so the vegetable and the chicken won't stick to the bottom of the pot. Looks delicious, and it is delicious and healthy too. I can't wait to have some. The soup is ready after 30 minutes. You can see how it is thick and not too watery. Now pour yourself a bowl. You deserve it after all that hard work. Bon appetit! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. Thank you.